So today let me explain you about taxonomy. What is this taxonomy? This is nothing but process of a classification. Then what is classification? You take anything, species you can say the book, anything which will be categorized into convenient category are called as and grouped into convenient categories are called as an, you can say, classification. Anything grouped into convenient categories called as an, you can say, what is that? Classification. Anything you take, you can see the books, you arrange them in one rack, only physics, one rack biology, one rack chemistry, like that. That is classification. It will be easy for a study, you can say. Anything, let it be book, let it be any organism, if you group into convenient category, that is called as an, you can say, classification. This process of classification we call it as an taxonomy, you can say. Then the question arises, who coined the word taxonomy? A.P. de Candolle coined term taxonomy. Who is father of taxonomy? Carolus Linnaeus. Then what are basics for taxonomy? Basic or basic processes for taxonomy are, you can say, first one is characterization. Second one is identification. Third one is classification. Fourth one is nomenclature. This question will be asked in a NEET. In first option they will give nomenclature first, second identification, like that. In the second option they will give like this. Third option again they will jumble. First they will give classification, next characterization. So that time it should be in this way. First characterization, description of the organism, then identify to which organism name should be tagged, then classify that, then you give the naming. So this you have to remember, it will be very important for examination point of view. Chronological order you should know. Then basics for modern taxonomy. What are the basics for modern taxonomy. External and internal structure. Cell structure. Cell structure. Then development processes. Development processes. Fourth one, evolutionary information. These are basics for modern taxonomy. For taxonomy, which are the processes? These above processes. So this chronological order, you have to remember it out, you can say. Huh? Is this clear? Let me open. Then what is systematics? In this taxonomy plus evolutionary relationship. Evolutionary relationship. That means systematics accounts along with the taxonomy. Please remember word. That means external, internal structure, everything. Along with that, even you can say relationship also will be seen in systematics. Then in Latin, what is the meaning of systema? Systema in Latin. Systematic arrangement. Systematic arrangement. Then Carolus Linnaeus wrote book, you can say. His title of the book is Systema Naturae. Title of book. Important, very important, you can say. Systema Naturae. Naturae. Clear? Is this clear? So, thank you very much. In next class, we will see about, you can say, the systematic arrangement of taxons. What are categories called? Regarding that, we will see it out. Hierarchical classification, we will check in next class. Thank you.